Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all. Mom, all right, sweetie, let's gather all the ingredients for our delicious cookies. Do you remember what we need?
Daughter, yep. We'll need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, and of course, chocolate chips.
Mom, that's right. You've got a good memory. Okay, let's start by measuring out the flour. Can you grab the measuring cups?
Daughter, sure thing, Mom. Asterisk reaches for the measuring cups. The daughter carefully measures out the flour and hands it to her mom.
Mom, great job. Now, how about the sugar? We'll need 1 cup of that too.
Daughter, got it. Measures sugar.
Mom, excellent. Next, let's get the butter. It should be softened, so we'll leave it out for a few minutes.
The daughter takes out the butter and places it on the counter. Daughter, now, should I crack the eggs into a separate bowl?
Mom, yes, that's right. It'll be easier to mix them in that way. Mom, perfect.
The daughter carefully cracks the eggs and adds them to a bowl.
Now, a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Daughter, measures the vanilla done.
Mom, now, just a pinch of baking powder to give our cookies that nice rise.
The daughter adds a pinch of baking powder. Daughter, is that enough, Mom?
Mom, that's just right. Finally, let's add in those delicious chocolate chips.
They both pour a generous amount of chocolate chips into the bowl. Daughter, I think we're ready to mix it all together now.
Mom, you're absolutely right. Get that mixer ready.
They start mixing the ingredients together, creating a smooth cookie dough.
Mom, all right, now we'll scoop out portions and place them on the baking sheet.
Daughter, I can't wait to taste these, Mom.
Mom, they're going to be fantastic, sweetheart. Now, into the oven they go.
They carefully place the baking sheet into the preheated oven. Daughter, how long do we have to wait?
Mom, about 10 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. When they're golden around the edges, they're ready.
Daughter, I'll set the timer, Mom. This is so much fun. They eagerly wait, chatting and enjoying the sweet aroma filling the kitchen. Once the timer goes off, they take out the golden brown cookies.
Mom, they look perfect, don't they?
Daughter, they really do, Mom. I'm so glad we did this together.
Mom, me too, sweetie. Now, let's let them cool a bit before we dig in.
They set the cookies on a wire rack to cool. Daughter, patience is the hardest part, isn't it?
Mom, it sure is, but it'll be worth it. And hey, while we wait, we can start planning our next baking adventure.
They share a smile, looking forward to more kitchen adventures together.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.